You'll be in absolute heaven, so enjoy. Sexier and sexier and sexier. The sexiest thing you've ever experienced in your whole life. Hey, get ready guys, because I'm going to put you on the final countdown. I'm going to count you down from 10 to 1. When you get to number 1, you'll be in absolute ecstasy. So get ready. Sexier and sexier and sexier. 9! The sexiest thing you've ever experienced in your whole life. 8! No. I will make sure, don't worry. Sexier and sexier and sexier. 7! Absolutely mind-blowing like nothing you've ever experienced before. 6! Absolutely mind-blowing like nothing you've ever experienced before. 5! Nearly there. Are you disappointed? 4! 3! 2! Get ready, here it comes, and sleep. Sleep, 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 sleep. Do you think they're going to be disappointed?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you would have let them go all the way. Alright guys, like I said, that's the last thing of the night. Now when I bring them up out of this trance, I want you to make a massive amount of noise for them, but let me bring them up out of the trance first so they at least get to hear the sound of your applause. They have been up here close to 2 hours entertaining you. Okay guys, I want you to continue to concentrate on the sound of my voice. I'm going to count you up from 1 to 5. When you get to number 5, you'll feel fully refreshed, wide awake and back to normal in absolutely every way. So 1, just feel yourselves gently beginning to rise up. 2, all suggestions are cancelled now, they've all completely gone. 3, feel the blood starting to pump around your body as your head clears more, feeling absolutely no side effects whatsoever. 4, feel yourself just beginning to return to normal consciousness, feeling fully refreshed, absolutely wonderful, very confident from this day forward. And 5, coming back to full consciousness now, feeling fully refreshed, wide awake, back to normal in every way. Love Boat, make some noise for them, the stars of your show. Come on guys, they deserve better than that. They've been up here 2 hours entertaining you. Make some noise for them. Well done guys, now it's time to hand you back to the wonderful Ollie.
So Love Boat, put your hands together, make some noise for your comedy hypnotist, Alex! What an absolutely incredible show, but your night is not over yet. Let's see you down on the dance floor to a little bit of this. Here we go. And don't forget, Love Boat, you can get a copy of tonight's show on a USB stick. It's €13 and you get a free cocktail. So if you want a copy of tonight's show, come and see me. Once again, guys, a copy of the show is just €13 and you get a free cocktail. If you want to take this home with you on USB So don't miss your chance to get this show on USB, guys. It's just €13 and you get a free cocktail.